You see, it's 5 by 5. It's to this level. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. Really love it. I don't even feel as if I'm wearing anything on my head, and the texture is so cool, and the hair is very, very light. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is another hair review. So today's wig is from Yoowigs. Came in this cute box, okay? And the wig, let me bring the wig out for you guys to see. Inside the box, there is this tag. See, this tag, Yoowigs, okay? And this is the wig. There is a card inside that came with it. Let me open the card. Contact us, email, WhatsApp, online official store, and everything is in here. The density of the hair is 150 density, and the length is 18 inches. It is straight. You see, this is mixed color. You see, brown and gold. Wow, you guys know I love this color, especially for this summer. Wow. So the 5 by 5, see, this is the hairline. It came pre-plucked, so I'm not doing that, okay? And this is the lace, came bleached as well. See, the inside came with some combs and inbuilt adjustable strap. So there is no shedding and no smell, okay? Guys, you guys know what I want to do with this wig. I just want to wear the wig like that to see. I don't want to glue it down at all. Let's do this. Let's do this, okay? Let's do this. So for the wig to lap very well on my head, look at what I did. I crossed it like this. You see this, so that it can be very, very tight. So let's wear this. Let me wear it for you guys to see. Wow, you can see that it's very tight. This is so tight. Let me comb it and see. The lace is still on it. I haven't cut the lace from it. The center part, you can make this corner part as well. See, you can see this. You can make it corner up to this way, or C part. Look at this side, because it's 5 by 5. You see. All right, so guys, I'll use a wax stick to take the flying hair backward. So guys, I'm not going to bring out baby hair. I'm going to leave it like this. I like it because when you leave the hair, to me, the baby hair don't make the hair look natural. That is just my own opinion. I want to leave this hair like Naomi Campbell, the way she wear her wigs, really natural. They look natural. She don't bring out baby hair, and she like this kind of straight wigs, okay? So I want to do the same thing. That's what I want to do to this wig. I'm trying to straighten the part. So let me see some. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I. Okay, you see. So this is it. It's so perfect and it's very, very soft. The hair is so soft. So you don't need to do much. If you want to coil the hair, you can do that. So I want to leave it straight. You guys know I like straight hair. When the hair is so straight, I'm in for it. So I'm going to leave this hair straight just the way it came. But if you want to coil it, you can coil it. But I love it straight. The way it is like this, so straight. This is my kind of hair. And the color is dying for. What's dying for this color? Okay, you can see the lace is still on it. So I'm going to cut out the lace. So I'll take hair mousse to take the. I use the hair mousse to take the hair backward. Wow, I bet you guys when you buy this wig, you're going to love it. With the black roots, color is cold here. This is lovely. So let me just cut the wig from it, the lace from it. So this is how I want it. Okay, like I said, if you like, you can glue it down. You can glue the hair down there, bring out baby hair, or I don't want to do that. I just want to, I have done so many 5x5 and I brought out baby hair. You guys know how it is. So this one I just want to wear it like this, and this is so lovely. What's this on my back? Wow, see this. So the wig is from Yoowigs. Remember, it's 18 inches and the density is 150. This is lovely. Look at this. Look at the front. This lovely, lovely. See the length. Let me stand up. So that's the length. I don't want to trim it as well. I will leave it this way. No trimming. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. So if you're interested, try and check the description box. All information about this wig will be on the description box. And if there's any discount code, I'm going to leave it on the description box as well. Okay. So guys, I'll use this on the part. So this is to blend it with my wig cap. That is why I'm doing this. I don't know if this thing is straight. Because I did not glue it down, I'm just trying to make this look glued down. You see that? I use this to touch it and it looks glued down. So I will spray God's big glue spray so that those flying hair you see like these ones, they're going to lie down flat. Because I want it to be really flat. Just lift it like this. And everything is going to lay flat. Alright, that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. You see the hair, it's cool. Okay, so lovely, so lovely. This is so lovely. So that is it. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, this wig is from Yoowigs, and I'm going to leave all the details on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. Like I said, you can coil this hair if you like, and you can straight it whatever way you want to carry this hair. You can do whatever you like with it. And also, if you want to bring out baby hair, you can do that. I just decided to wear it like this straight. Like I said, I always like it when Naomi Campbell wear her straight wigs like this. I just wanted to do the same thing. Like I've done other 5x5 wig installation whereby I brought out baby hair. So I just want to look very simple and gorgeous. That is what I want, and this is it. When you see the front, you think it is glued down, but it is not. I did not glue it down. You see it's 5x5. It's to this level. You can see this, and this is so lovely, really lovely, and the color is just too beautiful for the summer. This is lovely. You cannot go wrong with this color. It goes with everything. That is what I like. And the hair is very, very light. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. I don't even feel as if I'm wearing anything on my head. And the texture is so cool. The texture is good, you see. And there is no tangling. There is no shedding from this hair. Okay. So that is it, guys. Please, before you go, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. If you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.